Universe says, shout out to everyone making progress that no one recognizes, because you never let anyone see your darkest moments. You have been silently winning battles and transforming yourself. Be proud of every step you are making in the right direction. Keep going because you got this. Type yes if you believe in God. One thing that happens when you are not feeling appreciated is that you shut yourself down to survive. And it is a reflect we learn in life, but the one that stops us from growing into the person we have always meant to become. Your capabilities are enormous. Your potential is way more than what others imagine. Appreciate yourself and leave places where you don't feel appreciated in order to fulfill your true purpose of life. And become the best version of yourself you have always destined to be. Type yes if you believe in God.